I feel like I'm being stalked by this truck. They were honking at me. I don't know what for. I'm just sitting in the back of the fucking park. I don't know what the hell they wanted. I do not know. So, I literally do not know. They pull in the park. See me, I'm guessing. They thought I was someone else. They pull up to that little fucking bench area. Stop. Honk. And then pull back out. So, I do not know what the hell is going on. Hopefully I don't die. Or maybe, hopefully I do. I don't really care. Because I've already fucked up my shoe trying to hit the brakes. Because I literally have no brakes on my bike. So that's fun.